problem natin ay x cubed minus 3x squared y is equal to c. Sa problem na to, mapapansin natin na isa lang ang arbitrary constant. Kaya isang beses lang tayo magde-differentiate. First, ang i-differentiate natin ay yung x cubed. By the power rule, alam natin na 3x squared siya. Next is, itong negative 3x squared y, ang gawin natin dyan ay product rule. Hihiwalay natin itong constant negative 3. So, ito na yan, negative 3. And isosolve natin yung x squared y. So, y ay u is equal to x squared, v is equal to y. du is equal to 2x, dv is equal to y prime. I-multiply natin, x squared y, v du is plus 2xy. I-copy natin to sa problem natin. Negative 3 times the quantity, x squared y prime plus 2xy. So, next is itong c, alam natin na kapag i-differentiate ang c or ang constant, magiging 0 siya. So, 0. Ito, natanggalan natin yung arbitrary constant, pero ang gagawin natin, isi-simplify muna natin yung sagot natin. Copy 3x squared minus 3x squared y prime minus 6xy is equal to 0. So, common sa kanila yung 3. So, divide both sides by 3. So, x squared minus x squared y prime minus 2xy is equal to 0. Tapos yan, common din sa kanila yung x. Kaya divide na naman both sides by x. X squared divided by x is equal to x. Minus x squared y prime divided by x is equal to x y prime. Minus 2xy over x is equal to 2y. Ngayon, alam natin na ang y prime is equal to dy over dx. So, palitan natin siya ng dy over dx. Y prime dy over dx. So, ang gagawin natin, divide both sides by dx, x dx minus x dy minus 2y dx. So, mapapansin natin sa equation na 0 na common ang dx sa kanilang dalawa. Therefore, i-regroup natin siya. Magiging x minus 2y dx minus x dy equals 0. So, yan na yung final answer natin sa problem na to.